In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize columns in Wix. We'll walk through this process step by step, making it easy and straightforward so you can achieve the look you want for your website. Whether you're new to Wix or just need a little refresher, this tutorial will help you adjust your site's design with confidence. First, you'll want to open your site in the Wix editor. This is your main workspace for making changes and customizations to your website. Once you're in the editor, navigate to the page that contains the specific strip with the columns you wish to resize. Strips are horizontal sections on your page that neatly contain content, and getting the sizing right can be crucial for both aesthetics and functionality. Next, click on the strip container that holds your columns. If you're not sure, remember that it's simply a horizontal band across your page that can include many elements, including those columns you'll be working on today. By selecting the strip, you can access all its specific settings and layout options. Once you've clicked on the strip, direct your attention to the layout icon or button. It's typically your gateway to adjusting the settings related to the structural elements of your site. By selecting the layout option, you'll unlock a range of possibilities that can help you customize your columns to better fit your needs and style preferences. After selecting the layouts, you'll find this offers several options, such as presets for your columns, spacing adjustments, and more. These tools are key in helping you find the perfect balance and organization for your content. Presets are set templates that suggest specific proportions for your columns, such as 50-50 or 30-70. These can come in handy if you want a quick and easy setup, providing you a starting point that often works great for common layout designs. But if you're looking for a bit more control or specificity, there's also an option to customize proportions under the column proportions section. This lets you fine-tune exactly how much space each column should occupy. Customizing the proportions really allows you to tailor your columns with precision, so your page can convey exactly the message you intend in the way that looks best. So, there you have it. Resizing columns in Wix comes down to accessing the strip, selecting the layout options, and then choosing your desired proportions. With these steps, you can have more control over your website's appearance and structure, ensuring it meets your specific desires and functions. Thank you for watching this guide, and I hope these steps help make your design journey smoother and more creative. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks, and happy editing!